Hey there, welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Lauren, this is Jenny. We're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors, and today we are showing you an easy way to bring a food trend to life right at home.
That's right, Lauren. Today we are making Hawaiian ahi tuna poke bowls.
Yes, it's a mouthful, and we will deconstruct this for you and show you how easy it is to make at home.
Yes.
So really the star of our poke bowls is ahi tuna. So this tuna is raw, but it is sushi grade tuna, which means it is safe to consume raw. So you would find this in this package over here, right in our meat and seafood department, frozen. It's important that you buy this package if you're going to consume it raw and not just ahi tuna right from the case,
Yes.
because it may not necessarily be sushi grade.
Right. So we want to keep you all safe, so look for this package.
Yes, but this is safe to consume raw and is very traditional, similar to like sushi, how oftentimes it is raw. So I'm going to add in this sauce packet that comes in the package here. And I'm going to add this to our tuna and just mix it up so it's coated. You can let this marinate for a while, but it's not necessary.
Because all of that sauce is going to go right into the bowl, so we get all those great flavors.
So good.
And I'm going to get started on one of our bowl ingredients, which is diced avocado. So the poke bowl is kind of like a deconstructed sushi roll. So avocado is commonly seen in sushi rolls,
yeah.
and so it's perfect in this poke bowl. And we just have a ripe avocado, and you want to make sure that it's nice and ripe, and you can check by giving it a squeeze either side to side or top to bottom, and it should just slightly give to firm pressure. We'll go ahead and get that cut up.
And if you purchase an avocado and it's ripe and you're not planning to use it for a couple days, store it in the fridge. That's what we usually do with them, and it works out really well. And oftentimes it makes it even a little bit easier to slice too, because it won't be quite as soft.
Yes, good tip.
So Jenny's just scoring it. Cut it in little cubes.
All right.
Awesome. Well, let's get to building our bowls,
Yeah.
because we kind of have all our ingredients laid out here. So let's start with our brown rice.
So the brown rice, we are just using a frozen brown rice that we've gone ahead and steamed. So we just cooked it in the microwave according to package directions. Super easy. You don't have to wait, 45 minutes for the rice to cook.
Right. Yep. It's just a couple minutes in the microwave.
Thank you.
Super easy. I just love keeping it in my freezer for times when you need something really quick and easy to make.
Yes.
Next, we'll add in that tuna. We're just going to do about a fourth of it.
I love that bright, red color of the tuna.
Yes.
It looks so fresh.
And the health benefits, too. The heart-healthy fats.
Yum.
Super good for us.
Okay, we've got some mango. So the mango we've just diced up, and you can certainly substitute another fruit if you don't want to cut a mango, but mango is actually a lot easier to cut than most people realize, kind of similar to an avocado. So a mango is kind of oblong in shape, and the pit runs along that length of the mango. You can just cut on either side, score it kind of like I did with avocado, and then cut it off into cubes. So it's really not too intimidating.
No, and it's very traditional to Hawaiian poke bowls, because obviously with mango being available in Hawaii.
Yes. All right, and next we have some sliced English cucumber. And the English cucumber is kind of nice because it's not as watery as your traditional cucumber.
Yes.
And the skin is also a little more tender too.
Yeah, so all we had to do was just slice it up. We didn't have to take out the seeds or anything like that. I'm going to do our avocado to add that in. Yum. Another good dose of heart-healthy fats.
Yes.
Nice creaminess. Yum.
We love avocado.
I'm going to do a little bit of scallions.
And then
Do our
macadamia nuts.
Yeah, so we're using macadamia nuts, again, very traditional, and all we did was toast them. And what toasting does, it helps bring out a lot of the great flavors found in nuts. We also chop these up so it softens them up a little bit too.
Yeah, and you can find these nuts in our natural department in the bulk section. So you just really buy what you need so you aren't left with a whole container full of them.
Yes, and to toast them, you just use a dry pan, heat it up to about medium heat, and just keep an eye on it. It'll only take a couple minutes until they're nice and toasted on the sides, but you can kind of see the toast marks.
Awesome. So let's grab a lime wedge.
Grab a lime.
Thank you.
Add that. We are good to add in our last couple ingredients, which are all optional, but we're using soy sauce. This is some Sriracha Mayo, which I absolutely love just using for lots of different things at home.
Yes, and it's kind of nice because this is already pre-made, but if you don't want to buy it pre-made, you can just mix Sriracha and Mayo.
Yes. And then a little bit of sesame seeds.
So we're using black sesame seeds today, but you can use the white sesame seeds that I think is a little more common. Yeah, the black is fun.
Look how fun these are. So pretty.
Love it. All right.
Let's give this a try.
I love poke bowls.
The tuna is so good. And really, it has a very similar texture to something that would be cooked. So it's not that out there.
Yes.
Well, we hope you bring this food trend to life at home.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.